So don't record me. Just record my hat. Oh, shoot. This one's not turning.
Shit. Put it in there and turn it left.
I put it in there, but it's not turning left. It's like hard.
I know, bend it. In. Yeah, bend it in. All the way, like we used to do it.
Okay.
Now try pushing it down.
Oh, yeah.
It's tough because the pressure is all on one screw now. Okay, pull the tire off.
There's one more.
Yeah, do it.
Done.
Okay, pull off the tire.
It's not coming off.
Bang it on the ground. Just leave it in there then. Lift from the bottom.
Yeah, it's not coming off then. How do you take it off then?
Should have used a towel, dude.
How do you take it off?
Lift it off. Pull. Shake it a bit. Kick it. Are all the screws out?
Yeah. Okay, I'll hold it.
Are you sure all the screws are out, Zach?
Nice, tires off.
Okay.
Oh, I got a tire.
You put the other one on.
Dad, when it gets to 3 minutes, turn it off.
Put it on.
Heavy.
You gotta kneel down and lift it up from the bottom on both sides. Keep lifting it.
Put it in the holes.
You put it in the holes. It's not that heavy.
It hits those right now. I can't lift it. Nice.
See, start maneuvering it.
What's that?
Lift it up, man.
I can't.
Lift it up. Put the top bolt in.
I'm trying to lift it up.
Hold the camera. Move out of the way. I'll show you one. You go like this. You line it up so you know the top bolt's straight up there. You want this one like straight. Look. See that?
Yes. I'll put the bolts in.
Get one bolt ready. Put it on the top one. Put the top one in quickly. The other way. No, you don't need that. Just do it with your hand.
Right then?
Yeah. Okay, good. Now put the bottom one. No, you don't want to make that tight. You want it loose so you can pop in the bottom one first.
Okay, now what do you do then?
Push the tire on and put on the bottom one. Keep going on that one.
I don't have to stop.
Go on the top one now. Keep going on both of them.
This one's tight.
Okay, do the top one now. Get your other hand on the other bolt while you're doing those ones. Zach, put the other nuts on now.
I done a good job?
Very good. Use your other hand. Why is one hand not doing nothing?
No, this one's stuck.
Yeah, put it on and it'll get unstuck. Put it on straight. Is that straight?
Yeah.
Hurry up, man. Use one. Hurry up. Make them all tight, man. Push the tire back with your foot. Now tighten them with that bar a little bit. Now bend the bar and then make them tight. Not that way. Make them all tight like that. You're supposed to not go beside each other. You're supposed to go one here, one down, one up, one down. Let the car down now.
Let's do this one a little bit more. I just gotta pull up my pants.
Slowly. Don't put your leg out there, it could crush your leg.
Huh?
Get that leg out of the bar. It could fall down and crush your leg.
What way do I go then?
That way. Why don't you bend it in a bit so you can do it properly? Hurry up.
I'm trying to.
Should be able to spin it with your hand. Spin it with your hand now. Should be able to use your hand now. Make it straight and start going like this. Then do it. Don't ever put your leg under a thing. Pass me that piece. Pass it. Now let's put that on there and get ready to, so you can stand on it this way. Put the bar this way so you can stand on it. On that.
Why didn't you stand on it then?
Well, how else are you going to tighten it? Push down with your hands first. Now do the next one on the bottom. Same thing.
Now where do I go next, Dad?
Next one. No, up. You already did that one, man, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I did. Let's do this one.
No, that's the one you did. Tire looks like it's going flat.
Did I do this one, Dad?
No. Don't strip it, man. Make sure it's pushed all the way to the back before you turn. And how you do it is by wiggling it like this. This thing is meant to be wiggled, see? See how it goes down? Then you wiggle it off. Then you wiggle it on, look.
I'm watching, Dad.
Make sure it's all the way to the back. Push down.
I can't.
Okay. Do this one. Push down.
Push down.
Push. Good. Stop.
I'm about to strip my hands.
See, that's how we change a tire, guys.
That's how we change the tire, guys. Peace out.